Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, and all over the news, one headline dominates. Bitcoin is now illegal. Governments around the world declare a coordinated crackdown. Mining, banned, exchanges, shut down. Owning Bitcoin? A criminal offense. It sounds extreme. But what if it really happened? What would happen to the price, to the network, to the people? Let's break down the chaos, resistance, and unexpected consequences of a global Bitcoin ban. Part 1. The immediate reaction. If governments banned Bitcoin tomorrow, the first thing that would happen is panic. The price would crash, hard. Exchanges would freeze trading. News outlets would spread. Fear. People would rush to sell before the law takes effect. Why? Because many investors, especially institutional ones, follow the rules. They'd be forced to exit. Bitcoin might drop 50–80% overnight, just like it has in past crashes. But here's the twist. The Bitcoin network wouldn't stop. Unlike banks or centralized apps, Bitcoin doesn't rely on permission. It lives on thousands of nodes, spread across the world. No one can turn off Bitcoin, even if every government tried. Part 2. Underground rebellion. Now imagine what happens after the initial panic. People start to ask, why is the government so afraid of Bitcoin? The answer? Because they can't control it. And that's exactly why people will want it more. Just like in countries with strict regimes, think North Korea, Iran, or Venezuela, when something becomes illegal, it goes underground. People use VPNs. They trade peer-to-peer. They mine in secret. They hold their private keys offline, where no one can touch them. Ironically, a ban could make Bitcoin even more desirable, not less, because what's forbidden becomes valuable. Part 3. Historical proof. Let's not forget, this wouldn't be the first time. Governments banned something popular. Gold was banned in the US in 1933. People still found ways to hold it. Alcohol was banned during Prohibition. Black markets thrived. China banned Bitcoin multiple times. And yet, China still remains one of the largest sources of BTC activity. The lesson: bans don't kill demand. They just move it underground. Part 4. The long-term impact. So what happens in the long run? After the chaos settles, two worlds will emerge. World 1. Government-controlled finance. People stuck in the old system. CBDCs, surveillance, inflation, frozen accounts. World 2. The Bitcoin underground. A new digital economy. Decentralized, borderless, unstoppable. Bitcoin would stop being a trading asset and start being a tool for resistance. Think activists, journalists, refugees, people in broken economies. They'd rely on Bitcoin more than ever. Part 5. The Streisand effect. Here's the irony. By trying to kill Bitcoin, governments might make it stronger. It's called the Streisand effect. The more you try to suppress something, the more people notice it. Bitcoin was built for this. It was born from the 2008 crisis. It thrives on censorship, resistance. It's not just a coin, it's a message, and that message becomes louder when they try to silence it. So if governments banned Bitcoin tomorrow, yes, the price would crash. Yes, the media would declare it dead. Yes, fear would spread. But Bitcoin? It would keep running, because you can ban Bitcoin on paper, but you can't ban an idea. And Bitcoin is an idea whose time has come. What would you do if Bitcoin was banned tomorrow? Would you sell, hide, or hold? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more bold takes on the future of money, freedom, and digital resistance. Because in this new era, knowledge is power, and so is your wallet.